Okay, folks, Christmas is around the corner and we are alone this Christmas. We're away from family, we're in Arizona, and we're not feeling too festive. Even leading up to this point, I've barely seen any decorations anywhere. I mean, there's a few shops that I've seen, a few random tiny Christmas trees on the side of the highway, but really nothing, to get you in the mood. I haven't heard any songs on the radio.
No one's even really saying Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays when we're out and about shopping or anything.
Yeah, it's a strange one. This last two Christmases, our van has been in the shop. The first time was for O2 sensors. Our van was in the shop for a few weeks.
Like
Luckily,
2 weeks, yeah.
we were with family. We were with Rose's family. We had a good time. And then last year, we needed a whole new engine replacement, and our van was in the shop, and we had to stay in a hotel room in Charleston, I believe, last year. And, so we haven't really had a good Christmas
In the van.
And this van is our home, and we have a family. There's me, Rosa, there's Gerry. And so we're going to have a little family Christmas in the van.
Yep. We're going to cook a nice dinner. We're going to decorate the van. We're going to head to, I don't think there's many options around here, but I think there's a Dollar Tree, Walmart. So we're going to hit those up and see what we can find as far as decorations. And then we're going to get festive because, I don't know, why not?
Because we deserve it.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's go shop for some decorations and see what we can find.
All righty.
It's Christmas time.
Now all that's left to do is find the perfect camping spot to spend Christmas. But not before a fancy little lunch date. I think we found the perfect spot to spend Christmas. Look at this. We're pretty much right on the rim of the Grand Canyon, the north rim of the Grand Canyon. And
We're going to have a Grand Canyon Christmas.
we're going to have a very Gerry Christmas, a very Grand Canyon Christmas.
Now, this wasn't easy to find. We actually stopped at 2 other places on the way. Very busy. One was very busy and the other one was just kind of a bit rough on the van.
Yeah.
A lot of jagged rock. Johnny searched many hours and found this awesome place, and we're the only ones here.
We're the only ones here.
Perfect.
Everybody's with family for Christmas, I guess. But not us. But we are going to make
family.
this Christmas our own. We're about to get festive. Merry Christmas! Well, the best way to spread Christmas cheer is to drink a lot for all to hear. Only joking. We're going to have a couple Irish coffees to get us going now that we're in our Christmas gear up. Let's do it. Cheers!
Cheers.
Oh. Ooh, that's a strong Irish coffee.
Oh my God.
Ooh,
That's good though.
I got a bit messy with mine. A bit heavy-handed with the cream. It's sprayed everywhere. That's good. It's strong.
We don't have the proper glasses because we don't have too many glasses in the van. They break. It's good. Well, let's decorate.
Now let's get to decorating. And a pup cup for Gerry. Okay, we're almost done decorating. Rosa put this wrapping paper around a picture, was a good idea. We got bows on the cabinets, got some lights and garland around, some more bows over there. Rosa put wrapping paper on the door, which is cool. And I got the lights up.
Okay, there's one more very important thing we're gonna do, and it's decorate our little tree.
We got this little tiny Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree.
We weren't even gonna get a Christmas tree, but we saw this tiny one. We're like, might as well.
Yeah.
It's just hard to get like practical decor for the van.
Oh,
Yeah.
putting that up and I'll get these out.
It's so tiny that all I see are like wires right now.
Alright, it's time for the big reveal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah!
We have to do it at night.
Oh, we missed the most important part. Hold on. You gotta have a tree topper. Now this isn't. Well, it might. I think it is. It is supposed to sit on top of a tree. That's why it has a hole in it. Would you want to put it in?
Sure. I don't know. How did have all these like
You have to get the balls in.
balls in them? It's a bit heavy. There we go.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, we're gonna put this in its spot. The only spot it really fits.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. There we go.
Aww, I'm excited to see it at night.
A cute little tree.
Very cute.
It's tiny.
It's tiny.
But,
It's probably the smallest tree we've ever had.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Alright, let's cook dinner. We're gonna do a roast. We got this. It is a choice beef chuck pot roast boneless. We definitely need a bigger or a real touch oven for this, but we're gonna roll with it.
And while everything's coming together inside, we're going to have our special guest switch on our Christmas lights. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we got all our lights up and running. The Christmas cheer is strong. Only one thing left to do now, and that's eat our Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And why not end the night with a nice Christmas movie outside? We really hope this little Christmas video can spread a little bit of cheer to whoever watches it. And we really wish you the happiest of holidays. And as always, Cheers for watching.